who have continued to receive insufficient support to manage the implications of this crisis. Insufficient support, whether it's finance, whether it's technical assistance. So with the gravity of this situation understood, the government has proactively sought the requisite resources to finance our delegation and balance representation across our technical and political teams. And I want to take this opportunity to thank the Permanent Secretary and everyone in the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change for working so hard, not only in terms of putting this pre-COP briefing, but also getting out there and securing external funding for 91.07% of the Fijian government delegates, with a total of 51 delegates out of 56 being externally funded. To date, the total cost of the government delegation traveling to COP29 is approximately 1.2 million Fijian, with 960,065 dollars is funded externally. That's very important.